Welcome back to WarmupIP University. In the last lesson, we introduced the platform. Today, we are stepping into one of its core sections, the knowledge base. Most people struggle with email deliverability because they don't know what to learn or where to start. This section solves that. At the top, you will see the focus clearly, email deliverability learning. This section is built to help you understand authentication, build sender reputation, and improve inbox placement. You also have a search bar, so you can quickly find specific topics when needed. Then there is a certification prompt, where you can validate your expertise through structured levels. Below that, two clear paths. 1. Hire an expert, where businesses can connect with certified professionals. 2. Get hired by clients, where experts can join and get matched with opportunities. Now moving into the learning structure. Content is organized by categories like DNS, SPF, DKIM and DMARC, along with Warmup, ISP providers, ESP providers and operations. Each section focuses on a specific part of email systems. Then you have a Start Here section, a guided path with foundational topics like SPF, DKIM, DMARC and IP Warmup. And finally, a list of all articles, so you can explore everything available. Think of this like a structured learning dashboard. Instead of random tutorials, you have organized subjects, a clear starting point and defined paths to follow. The knowledge base is not just content, it's a structured system to help you learn deliverability step by step. WarmupIP has designed this to make complex topics easier to navigate and apply. In the next lesson, we will guide you through the process of earning your email deliverability certification by completing the required examinations. We are looking forward to see you in the next episode.